Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download videos from Bilibili with sound in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to bilibili.com website. Next, select the video you want to download.
你好，欢迎光临莫塔里大酒店。
Open a new tab and type SnapAny.com in the URL bar, then press enter. Now, in the header, select Bilibili. Copy the URL of the video you want to download. Paste the URL here and click on Download. Here you will see two options, one to download the video and another to download the thumbnail. To download the video, click on Download Video.
你好，
Click on the three dots and then click Download again. The video has started downloading. You can now watch the video. It has been downloaded with sound. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.